Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the month of July. I have this kit from Simoly Smith Stickers. So we have this right here. These go at the top, and then of course the date dots. We have these extra boxes and a few labels. We have this sidebar here that goes right here. And then she does give two options of labels. So we have the skinny with the little time slot, and then bigger boxes to label them. So that's really cool. And then I also bought this art in the full kit design. So I do have these if I need it. So I'm just going to go ahead and start this out. This is my first month in this new planner, so that is really exciting. Lots of things happening for me in July. I put in my 2 weeks notice at my job, and lots of opportunities has opened up. So I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do right now. So we're just going to take it day by day. But I'm going to get the main big events taken care of here. So that way I can at least plan around those. And then everything will be fine. Everything will work out. I've just got to continue thinking about that. So with me quitting this job, I do teach dance classes. I don't know if you guys have been here for a while, but I do teach dance classes through the week, so that will no longer be happening. But my class loves me, and they are going to follow me wherever I teach. So I have secured a new space to teach. So we're going to still do this. It's not the end, but it was a very emotional last class for me. I've been here for 8 years, so I've grown very attached. But it's good. It'll be a good step. So we're gonna put these right here, and then these over here. I'm really glad to be back in a weekly view. I mean, I know the month is the same, but I'm very excited to be back in the weekly view. If I could get these straight, that would be awesome. It's gonna be good. I'm excited. I'm nervous. I've cried more than I want to admit, but it'll be a good time. But we do have some things coming up this month for me. I'm going to jump off of here and do the date dots because that takes forever, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is what it looks like all set up. I did go ahead and white out these holidays. I don't have my tape wipe out, so I just did it the old-fashioned way with the brush one. But we're going to go ahead and just put this down. On the 4th, I have a firecracker run. My town puts on a 5K, and I do the pictures. I do not run. So that's pretty much a 4-hour, 5-hour deal here. And then on Wednesday, the library hosts these events. So at 2, we're going to do the foam party. So that is fun for the kids. And then we will be going to Indiana Beach on the 9th. My mom gets to go with her company for free, and she gets extra tickets. So we're just going to make that a family day. On the 12th, the library is doing a petting zoo. So, of course, we're going to go to that. And then the 19th is another foam party. Like so. I love that they get to do this, and everything's free. So kids love it. It's a little 2-hour event. It's nice and fun. On the 21st, we are going to a Jelly Roll concert. This will be I believe my 3rd concert of his. Really love him. And then on the 26th, we have a carnival for the library, so that should be fun too. And then, let's see, circus week. So my town that I live in is known for the circus, and that is going to be the whole week of the 17th. So the fair runs Monday through Friday, and then the circus, I believe, goes either Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or something. It's like the 2 or 3 days there. So that'll be fun. And then we'll have a parade on Friday it'll be in the morning, Friday or Saturday. So that's really cool. And then I do have a family reunion to go to. We rented out cabins. Every 5 years we have a really big reunion, and we've traveled to Tennessee. We went to Holiday World. This one's kind of close, about an hour away, and we rented out cabins. There's lots to do there, so that'll be really fun. I think that's it for my plans. Over here in the sidebar, I like to keep track of my birthdays, and then when I was teaching, put my class times in here. But since I don't know my schedule yet, or if I'm going to get this other job, when I'm going to start that, I'm just going to stick to my birthdays. So I have that, and then I am going to take these balloons here just to kind of make it a little special and put those there. And then I just put the date and then write out their names. So we'll go here. 11th, Shannon. 18th is my husband's best friend. And then the 22nd is my cousin Steven's birthday. So I'm going to leave that blank until I figure out exactly the days that I want to teach. But this makes me happy. I kind of know the big events that I need to get in. If I do get this job, it starts on the 17th. So I don't know what's to come. I really don't. We'll see if I'm going to start then or not. But at least I have my big ideas here. If you haven't already, go watch my setup of this planner. I feel like it's a really good setup. I went through the whole planner thoroughly, and I think it's just really good. I give you some options for some different sticker shops and kind of what I did and how I use things. So look out for my plan with me for the first week of July. That will be coming out soon. Bye!